plans, but I want to introduce myself. I am Rainier Pitabar, and as all you know, I am from Magsaysay College, first year BS in Trip. And actually, I want you to know my favorite hobbies are. The most favorite hobbies in my life is playing a basketball. And remember, don't be scared to fail. Be scared to not trying. Bye-bye.